everyone, welcome back to another episode from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we will be learning how to download Hearthstone application on your mobile device. Whether you are using Android or iOS, you can easily download the app on your device now that the app is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or App Store. In the search box, type in Hearthstone. And from the search result, look for this application from Blizzard Entertainment Inc. and tap the Get button to start downloading the app. Once the app is downloaded, tap on the Open button to start the game. And you have now successfully downloaded and installed Hearthstone on your mobile device. It's that easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.